friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen crispy green beans in the air fryer. What we need is frozen crispy green beans and a cooking spray so they don't stick to the air fryer. Now I'm going to take out the air fryer basket and spray the inside of the basket with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to cooking spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. And now I will open a package of crispy breaded green beans. So we are cooking them straight from frozen, no need to defrost, and I will put it in the air fryer basket. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake the crispy green beans so they brown evenly. And now put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these crispy breaded green beans. They look so good. Look how crunchy they are. You can hear the crunch. So good. Air fryer is perfect for cooking now. I'm so excited about trying these green beans. Look how crispy. Looks amazing. Crunchy. Delicious. These are so good. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen crispy breaded green beans. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!